Day 4 of exploring the extension of the body, extension range of the body. Still using my trusty step barrel, my absolute favorite place to explore extension work. We're now going to move on to looking at extension through the upper back. We're still beautifully supported by this barrel. The hips are going to be just off the apex, and we're going to place our arms on the mat in front of the step. So up to you whether you have your legs straight, whether you have them bent, whether you have them turned out. I really don't mind what you prefer to do. Now I'm going to place my hands, and they're slightly focused in towards each other, like making a diamond shape, but not so close that we're lifting the shoulders. So we want to have that sense of space. You're going to lift your tummy, press your pubic bone down. Now I like to think of imagining that I can pull my hands wider as I slide my shoulders down, and then push my hands down to help me extend through my upper back, and then slowly come back down. Exhale, pubic bone goes forward, hands imagine that they're pulling apart. I'm going to slide my armpits down and follow my eye line forward across the mat, and then slowly coming back down. Exhale, lift the tummy, imagine pulling wide, slide the armpits down, the hands press down into the floor as my eyes move across the floor to come into extension, and then slowly come down. After you've done 5 or 6 of those, just come back into child's pose, and then slowly uncurl and come back up.